How to recover lost Cash App balance. To recover a lost Cash App balance, immediately you can log in with your original phone number or email, as you may have accidentally created a duplicate account. So, if access is lost, you want to make sure to select I can't log in option. First of all, often a balance appears lost because you logged in a new account. Sign out and log in with your original phone number or the email address. Also, make sure to double check your credential as well. And if you created a new account, upon reinstalling the app, you can contact Cash App support to merge the new account with your old one to restore the balance. And if you cannot log in, you could visit Cash App Help Center or use the app to select something else or I cannot log in. And you could just be prepared to provide your full name, number, the last four digits of your linked debit card, or other details to verify ownership as well. And if your account was closed, you just want to go to support section, select account status, and appeal the closure to regain access to your funds. And this way, you should be able to successfully recover lost Cash App balance. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.